Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, Part 2. I started noticing while the other video was loading that, well, one, the gold in here is a little golder than mine, so, she could have done the same thing with the Smart Fill tool with the eyedropper, but that's not what this video is about. So you got a little golder face. But this face I really like, or the mouth, so I'm going to take that out of the way. Whoop. Grab my mouth. And I'm going to, of course, you'd have to refill that, but I'm going to try to get it look closer to that. And it's probably not really necessary because it looked pretty cool, but I'm going to left click, right click. And the main difference is just the side lips are just, they kind of conform. So I'm going to show you, or possibly maybe show you. Let's zoom in quite a bit. And I'm going to grab the shape tool and I'm just going to kind of move that up. Delete that node. I kind of messed that up a little bit. And then you could take these handles and move them down, and then that way it's kind of conforming more to, I don't know how to say it, tapered look. Let's try this, let's add a node right there. And let's take away that node. I'm double clicking and adding a node. That looks pretty good. Let's see if we just delete that node. Nope. Move this handle. And this, you could right click on it and turn it into a cusp, and then only one handle moves at a time. You can kind of make it a little bit different looking. I'm pretty happy with that, but how do you get both sides even? Well, what we could do is take a 2-point line and put it right in the middle. Now, how do you know where the middle is? You don't, but that says midpoint, but it doesn't really look like it is. So what I'm going to do is take them both and hit C on the keyboard and put it in the center between the two places. I'm going to take my vertical segment delete key and delete this half. I'm going to take my new one, Control D, and make a duplicate. While holding down the control button, move this arrow this way. Take away our line. Take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill that in. And what that does, it makes it more perfect. Now, we really need to get rid of the yellow of that box to get rid of our stuff. And remember, I nudged. It doesn't look quite as good. Let's try one more thing. We could droop it down a little bit, grab these two nodes and just kind of droop it down a little bit. You could even droop one of them more than the other one and make the smile a little bit bigger. And one, if it doesn't have to be a perfect, this will be yours. Smart Fill tool, we're going to actually use that gold eyedropper on that gold and put it in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.